We're back again in another video. In this video, we're going to look into the information disclosure vulnerabilities. So the information disclosure vulnerabilities, we're going to see what entails the information disclosure, some examples of information disclosure, how do information disclosure arise, what is their impact, and how to access their sovereignty, and how to prevent them. So information disclosure are critical vulnerabilities in our web applications or mobile app, since they can reveal some sensitive information to the hackers or to malicious users that can help them gain more access to our systems. So information disclosure is when a website unintentionally reveals sensitive information to its users. Depending on the context, website may leak all kinds of information to potential attackers, including data about other users. This is where data about other users is leaked through the web application. This could be their usernames, their financial information, sensitive commercial or business data. This could be some internal data that don't need to be into the public. Technical details about the website and its infrastructure. Most of the time, we don't want the attackers to know what is used to build our website or how our website is built, since once this is revealed, it gives them more information to attack the website. So some examples of information disclosure, this could be revealing the hidden directories, the names of hidden directories, their structures and their content. This could be directories that don't need to be into the public, but they are revealed through the robots.txt file, providing access to source code, explicit mentioning databases names, which gives the attacker a more wider view of how the application is built, add coding some APIs, IP addresses and database credentials. This will give the attackers direct access into our systems. Most of the information disclosures will arise when there is a failure to remove internal content from public content. So in case we have some internal content that we don't need to be out there, but they are placed at the public content, insecure configurations of the website, which will reveal more information about the website, or some flawed design. The impact of the information disclosure will depend on the purpose of the website and what the information of an attacker and what information an attacker is able to obtain from this disclosure. We can prevent this by double checking any debugging or features are disabled, mostly in the production environment, using generic error messages as possible, and audit any code for potential information disclosure through the code. So a small recap, information disclosure are really easy to find but critical vulnerabilities, since they can reveal much about our web applications. We're going to solve our lab as usual. I'm going to access this lab. So this is information disclosure in error messages. The lab's verbose error message revealed that it is using a vulnerable version of third-party framework. So through information disclosure, we are able to know what third-party frameworks our website is using, and through this we are able to find for exploit. An attacker is able to find exploit that they can use against our website. We are going to try and solve this lab. So what is required of us is to solve the lab, obtain and submit the version of this framework. We are going to see how you can obtain the framework that website is using through information disclosure in error messages. So what will attack or how we approach the website is just navigate through our target website, see the different features we have, click through and see where we can reveal these informations. I'll click on the view details to view the details of a product. This is a shop website where users can come and shop and see information about this. You can read about a description. One thing that catch our attention is the product parameter here, where our website expects an integer of 1. We enter 2, we are given details of another product. So this could be a good injection point for information disclosure, since in the backend we would assume the developer expects an integer, but malicious hackers will most often inject malicious payload like a string. We'll input a string instead of an integer and see what happens, and boom, we get an internal server error, Java number format. So there's a Java number format exception for input string. So we provided a string, but the application needed or expected an integer, and with that we are able to have our debug or our stack printed out on to us, and we are able to find the required version here. So let's copy this and back to our website. We are supposed to submit the solution. Let's see, and yeah, that works. So a small recap: information disclosure are critical vulnerabilities since they reveal what our website entails, how our website works, some more information about our website that attackers can use against our websites. So in this case, we did see that the website expect a product ID of integer, but we provided a string, and we can see that our application is built on Java, and the Java language number format is drawn here.